some breaking news coming in, viewers. The ED versus Mamata Banerjee case, which has reached the apex court hearing, resumes in the top court. And just getting you these updates because once again we see that some new arguments are being made here. And Mamata government is saying stay the FIRs as a hearing has resumed in the top court. Also, just getting you through what has been said before. Supreme Court has said it's very much disturbed by the chaos in the Calcutta High Court during the hearing, which was related to the ongoing face-off between the ED and Mamata Banerjee-led TMC. The court noted that it is a serious issue and it intends to issue a notice in the matter. So now there was a lunch break. And after the lunch break, now it's over. The hearing, the bench has resumed them, and the order is being dictated. I repeat, the order is being dictated as we speak. The ED has accused Banerjee and West Bengal officials of interfering with its investigation and the searches at the offices of political consultancy firm I-PAC. And appearing for the central agency, Solicitor General Tushar Mehta accused Banerjee of theft. I want to go across to our senior executive editor, Abhishek. Okay, Abhishek, huge update coming in. ED versus Mamata in Supreme Court. The order is being dictated. All right. We'll go to our editors in a short while because we're just waiting for that order to come out. The fight has reached, viewers. The fight has reached the apex court. ED versus Mamata in Supreme Court. The order is being dictated. And appearing for the central agency, Solicitor General Tushar Mehta accused Banerjee of theft and said she took evidence from the residence of I-PAC co-founder Prateek Jain. Okay, let's go straight across to our senior executive editor, Abhishek Kapoor. Abhishek, we see that Mamata government is saying that we won't stay on the FIR which has been filed. And this is a huge update coming in because this fight between ED and Mamata Banerjee has now reached the apex court. The order is being dictated.
Well, yes, as we speak, the order is being dictated, Shivangi, and the ED petition was very clear. They wanted FIRs to be registered against the action of the Bengal Chief Minister and some of her officers to have taken away that file. There was specific charge of theft, and the ED, in fact, wanted all those officers who accompanied the Chief Minister to be suspended on grounds of intimidation and obstruction of duty of a government employee or a public servant, as it is called. It's a clear BNSS section under which the ED had sought action. The ED in SC has said that they want the case to move out of Bengal in terms of all the FIRs that have been filed. Remember, there was a Bengal police FIR also against the Enforcement Directorate. So the ED wants that FIR to be moved out of Bengal in case it is not being quashed at this stage. Justice Mishra asked what's the interim prayer, to which the Solicitor General Tushar Mehta said that they stay the FIRs that the ED is facing in Bengal, transfer them out of Bengal, suspend the officers who had accompanied Mamata Banerjee, the Chief Minister of Bengal. The ED has made a charge of theft and robbery insofar as those documents are concerned. Remember the green file that Mamata Banerjee carried, and they want the CBI to investigate the case of theft which the ED makes against the Bengal Chief Minister. So that's the final prayer. Move the FIRs from Bengal to outside Bengal, make the CBI investigate them, look at the possibility of theft and robbery, and make sure that ED is not intimidated any further. Justice Mishra has said that the Solicitor General's submission that it is not the first instance where Chief Minister has interfered in the case of Bengal with an investigation, and it has happened also when CBI was probing an offence, and thus a pattern when a probe is carried. Remember the predicate offence in which the CBI landed at the office of the I-PAC for its search and seizure was essentially a CBI probe in the coal mining scam that was being probed, which included Anup Majhi as one of the accused. The illegal coal mining going on in Bengal and that belt, essentially Jharkhand, Bengal, Chhattisgarh. But the ED has said that this obstruction is not for the first time. That's a big one because they are saying that the Bengal government, specifically the Chief Minister, keeps doing it off and on. The Supreme Court now dictating order in the ED versus Mamata case, and the ED has asked the SC to stay all the FIRs, transfer them to outside Bengal, let the CBI look into them, and take tough decisions, take strict action against officers who accompanied Mamata Banerjee when she obstructed ED officers. So the Solicitor General has also said that it is very difficult to carry on the probe in a case which runs up to about 3,000 crore rupees, which is 2,742 crore rupees. And that's the proceeding till now.